The Audi SQ7 is a high-performance version of Audi's Q7 luxury SUV, combining the practicality of an SUV with the power and agility of a sports car. Here's an overview of its key features and specifications. By a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Power output. It typically produces around 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Transmission. It comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Drivetrain. The vehicle features Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and stability. Acceleration. The SQ7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs in its class. Suspension and handling. Adaptive air. Suspension. The SQ7 is equipped with adaptive air suspension, which adjusts the ride height and firmness for better handling and comfort. Dynamic all-wheel steering. This feature helps with maneuverability at low speeds and enhances stability at higher speeds. Interior and comfort seating. It typically offers seating for 7 with high-quality materials and finishes. The front seats are usually sport seats with power adjustments and optional heating and ventilation. Technology. The cabin is outfitted with advanced tech, including a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a navigation system. Ambient lighting and premium sound systems are also standard. Handling and ride quality. Torque vectoring. The SQ7's Quattro all-wheel drive system often includes torque vectoring, which helps distribute power to the wheels that need it most for improved handling and cornering. Active roll stabilization. This system helps reduce body roll during cornering by actively adjusting the suspension to keep the vehicle stable. Exterior and design features. Sporty enhancements. Unique design cues include aggressive front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and quad exhaust outlets. The SQ7's exterior often includes additional aerodynamic elements and sporty touches. Lighting. It usually features LED or matrix LED headlights, which provide excellent visibility and add to the vehicle's modern, upscale look. Wheels. It often features larger, sportier wheels that complement its performance-oriented design. Practicality cargo space. Despite its sporty focus, the SQ7 maintains a decent amount of cargo space. The third-row seating can be folded flat to expand the cargo area when needed. Towing capacity. The SQ7 typically has a respectable towing capacity, allowing it to handle various recreational or utility tasks. Pricing and trim. The SQ7 is positioned as a premium SUV, so it comes with a higher price tag compared to the standard Q7. Prices can vary based on options and packages. Maintenance and ownership. Warranty. Audi generally offers a competitive warranty package, including a limited warranty and a powertrain warranty. Additionally, Audi's pre-owned program can offer certified used vehicles with extended warranties. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is important to keep the SQ7 running at peak performance. Audi's maintenance programs and service packages can help manage the cost of ownership. Overall, the Audi SQ7 is designed to offer a balance between luxury, performance, and practicality. It's well suited for those who want a high-performance SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort or features. If you have more specific questions or need information on a particular aspect, just let me know. MW Auto.